Hello, my name is Pavanesh Devgan, and in this video I am gonna demonstrate that how to use MD5 deep by using command line hash tagging. Basically, hashing is the transformation of a string of characters into usually shorter fixed length values or key that represents the original length. We're gonna use MD5 hash which encodes the same string using the MD5 algorithm, which will always results in the same 128-bit hash output. It's also used to ensure the data integrity. Here's the download folder in which I have already downloaded MD5 deep. Now extract here MD5 deep, and it will show you the folder, extracted folder here. Now double click the extracted folder. Here you can see SHA 256 deep 64 hash tagging hash deep. Now I'm gonna cut all these files and put it right here where I have already downloaded them. Now these files do not actually run and actually install on our computer. They actually run. So I could probably delete some of these which I cannot use, but here my purpose is to run hashes files that are downloaded, so I can just leave these as executable files. Now I'm gonna open the command window like command prompt here. Yeah, it will show you here that I am using now command prompt. Now I'm gonna write here dir, which is the Windows directory, and when I do that, here it shows that there is a folder called the downloads. So what I'm gonna do is write down cd change directory, cd downloads, in which folder I want to go there, and I'm still in user 1 in downloads. So I'm gonna type dir. What I'm gonna see here, all of these files here that I see in this current folder. Now if you don't have installed all these executable files, then you must have these all executable files in the same folder where with the file you wanna test. Now I am going to create here a file that literally I'm gonna test. Let's say that file is test, and I'm gonna type this is a test file. Yeah, and I'm gonna save it and close. Now I'm gonna run a command here, SHA 256 deep md5 deep dash 4.3.zip against the zip folder. Here I have already in download folders. Now press enter, and here I'm gonna see the warning that you are running 32-bit program on a 64-bit system, but I know that my system is of 64-bit and I'm sure of that. So I'm gonna run here. So I'm gonna use the right up key here, not to write all the above statement again. Just I have to write there 64, which is already present in there. Here you see SHA 256 deep 64. When I'm gonna enter that, yeah, here it shows me the hash. This is the 32 digits. These are the 32 digits of hash. Now this is the confirmation that I have that the MD5 deep folder, which is already present in my download folders, is the same file, excluded of viruses or the incomplete file. When I was downloading the file, I had the same hash. Now I'm gonna run here a file md5 deep 64 test.txt. When I'm gonna run that, here you see 32 digits of the hashtag. So what I'm gonna do now is go right back to that folder, and I'm gonna open that file text, and I am just going to remove full stop. Then I save that here. When I come again to that file, now here you see the hash is changed. The above hash was 85C45 and so on up to 9B. Now we are getting the characters here 85, A5, 89 up to so on to C2. Now that's the proof that the file I have downloaded is not incomplete or it not contain any viruses. To ensure that, you have to run these hashtag programs against the file you have downloaded. Compare the hashes with the same on the server side, and if it's the same that appear on your screen, then you know that you got exactly the same file. Thank you very much.